When we talk to a computer, it can actually understand what we mean. But how did computers get so smart? Let's find out together and discover the secrets behind it. In a quiet, cozy room, there's a little computer sitting all by itself. Right now, it's just like a newborn baby. It doesn't understand any words yet. When people start talking to it, the computer listens very carefully. It tries to catch every sound and word. Today, we're going to find out how a computer begins to learn human language. What kind of story will unfold? Let's see together. People talk to the computer in lots of different ways. Some storybooks out loud, and some chat with friends right in front of it. The computer listens to each word and breaks them into little pieces. It's kind of like looking at colorful puzzle pieces, one by one. It checks which words show up a lot and what order they come in. Like stacking Lego blocks, it tries to find patterns in the words. The more the computer practices, the better it gets at understanding words. Just like finishing a puzzle, the picture becomes clearer and clearer. But now, there's something to wonder about. How does the computer learn so quickly? The computer doesn't read books slowly like we do. It learns tons of words super fast, almost like it's zipping through every book in a giant library all at once. It can look at lots of sentences in just a blink. The computer reads the same sentences over and over to find special rules. It learns sentences as quickly as a breeze whooshing by. That's how it gets really smart in no time. It connects all the words it's learned together, like puzzle pieces, and can even make brand new sentences. Because of this amazing power, the computer keeps getting better at talking. But here's a question. Is it enough just to know the words, or does the computer need to understand what they mean too? If someone asks if you like French fries, they're really asking about food. When a computer sees a sentence like this, it tries to figure out what French fries are and what it means to like something. It looks at each word and tries to fit all the pieces together, just like putting together a puzzle. The order of the words in a sentence matters too. By looking at how words are lined up, the computer starts to understand what the sentence really means. But it's still not perfect. If it hears a tricky sentence or something new, it can get confused and sometimes gives a funny answer. That's why people and computers help each other and learn new things together. Let's quickly go over what we learned today. The computer starts learning by listening to people talk. It puts together words and rules, kind of like solving a puzzle. Just like flipping through books in a library really fast, the computer can pick up new words and sentences quickly. It still makes mistakes sometimes, but when we practice together, it gets better and better. What amazing stories will we discover next time? See you again soon!